forming the belt. Since this belt is still part of the body subtool, let's split it out as a separate subtool. Go under Subtool, under Split, Split Unmasked Points. Now, the belt is an individual subtool just below the body subtool. Then go under Deformation to inflate it with XYZ axis on. Or use Zmodeler brush, BZM, hover over a polygon face, and press spacebar. Under Polygon Actions, click on Inflate, Target all polygons. Then click on one polygon face and pull outwards. If you are still not happy with how the belt wraps around the waist, we can play with Dynamics to do that for us. Go under Dynamics, dock the menu. Turn off Gravity, turn on Collision Volume, and change its inflate value to 0.1. Use Transform Cloth brush, BTC, to trigger collision volume. Click on this bracket at the top right edge and lightly move it. Moving it will bring the belt on top of body subtool. Only Transform Cloth brush will show the result of simulation when moving a subtool. Other transform brushes do not. Inflate value determines how close the colliding volumes are against each other.